Too hot, huh? Okay, no worries.
Do you want to know?
Welcome back to another vlog, friends. Today is Sunday and we are all set to explore a couple of new destinations in Odisha. And today's vlog is going to be little interesting. We will cook in our caravan, and as well as we will visit 2 to 3 locations. The first one we will visit is one of the natural hot spring, and second one will be a biggest monastery, one of the biggest in India, also called Little Tibet in Odisha, and the third one will be a waterfall. So without any further delay, let's get started. We took a short break. We are just about to reach Taptapani, the first destination, the natural hot spring. So 3 kilometers remaining. So let's continue our journey. The Ghat road has begun. So definitely the road will look nice. We just reached now. Let's go and check it out. This is a natural hot spring, and because of the sulfur content, there are medicinal properties in this water, so people take bath as well. Let's go and check it out. We got a nice place to cook. That's why we stopped, and we will cook our food, and after that we will proceed. Now it's 1 o'clock, and half of the food actually we cooked from home. We packed it, and now we got prawn on the way, so we are cooking that, and we'll have our lunch. After that we will proceed. Such a wonderful place. Aishman, you need to help also, okay?
Okay.
What you will help? Tell me. To cook?
I'll help to. I don't know.
Okay. Okay, you help shooting the video.
Okay.
Yeah. Tasty. I think it's ready now. चलो खाया आयुष्मान खाया हाँ all set
Yes.
too hot huh? Okay no worries time to have lunch. After that we will proceed. It will take 20 to 30 minutes to reach Jiranga Monastery. So already is 1:30. So we'll have our lunch. After that we'll proceed. Ayushman is eagerly waiting, right?
Yes. And we are going to another place also.
You are excited?
Yes.
Cool. I think you will be excited at the last destination, right? Because it's a waterfall.
Okay. We'll see how it is.
Yeah. Ayushman, do you know what you are eating?
Yes.
This is? Tell me.
Tomato rice and this is chole.
Okay. And so you will not eat prawn, huh?
I eat.
You will eat, huh?
Yes.
I don't think we'll give you.
Ah, it's eating.
Cheating, huh? We reached Jiranga Monastery, however it's closed. As you see, it's locked. So we couldn't go inside. It looks beautiful if you see. But anyway, we just roam around and took some clips. Maybe we'll try out next time. I'm not sure when it will reopen because there is no such information when they are going to reopen. So we'll proceed to our next destination, Khasada, a waterfall, which is, I think, I'm not sure how long it will be, some 10-15 kilometer, maybe hardly. I will check that in Google Map. So let's proceed, and I have taken few snaps here. Please watch that clip. We will meet you at the waterfall. Okay. We reached at the last destination of today, Khasada Waterfall, and I think this is the right time because every waterfall, right, if you go right after monsoon, it will be in full flow. Same for Khasada Waterfall. It looks beautiful because it is in full flow. So let's go and explore the fall. Really, it's a beautiful waterfall. I came here long time back, I think 10 to 12 years back I came here, but the time I visited there was no water. So it was like full of garbage and trashes all over. So it was not that great, but this time it is in full flow and looks really beautiful. We enjoyed our time today, and I think that's all for today. Next week we will visit another exciting location, and you will see the video, right, every week I upload. So if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you really liked the video today, press the like button. We will see you in the next vlog. Till then, take care. Bye bye.